Well, I'm shooting, like I said, with the DJI Osmo Action 4. Oh yeah, I'm taking a nice walk at the first airport with the concrete. Yes, indeed. I'm at the edge of the airplane field and all. Let me give you a nice look around. It's low tide as I walk along, and you get to see what's around here. Water, marshland, wind. All right. So now you don't have the colors in your eyes of HDR. The sun giving that D-Log HDR look. I'm like at my last straw. Do I go out and buy myself an Ace Pro 2? It does H.264. The Action 5 don't. But you know, I have no trouble with H.265 on my machine. I just like H.264 containers over HEVC sometimes. So let's get on going, get on out of here, try to get back on up. Well, hope you enjoyed that vlog. Let's get on out of here.